Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using 8Fit. Here's my honest take on the 8Fit app. If you're searching for a fitness app that seamlessly blends workout routines and meal planning, 8Fit might be worth considering. Let's explore what it offers and who it's best suited for. 8Fit is primarily designed for individuals seeking a comprehensive approach to their well-being. It integrates personalized workout plans with nutritional guidance, creating a holistic health experience. The app customizes fitness programs based on your specific objectives, whether your goal is weight loss, muscle gain, or simply maintaining overall fitness levels. The workouts predominantly focus on bodyweight exercises, making them highly convenient for users who prefer to exercise at home without needing specialized equipment. The sessions vary in length, from quick 10-minute routines to more demanding and longer circuits, allowing you to easily fit exercise into your schedule. One of 8Fit's most compelling features is its integrated meal planning functionality. The app provides users with tailored meal suggestions that take into account individual dietary preferences and restrictions. This helps users stay on track with their nutrition while pursuing their fitness goals. This aspect is especially beneficial for those who struggle with meal planning or maintaining a balanced diet. However, 8Fit isn't without its limitations. Although the free version offers some basic functionalities, access to the more valuable content, including personalized plans and more advanced workout routines, requires a paid subscription. If you crave a constant stream of new workouts or require more challenging exercises, you might find the app's selection somewhat limited. Furthermore, the app is generally better suited for beginners and intermediate users, as more experienced athletes might find the routines too simplistic over time. In summary, 8Fit is an ideal choice for those embarking on their fitness journey or seeking a structured, yet uncomplicated, approach to fitness and nutrition. The combination of short, accessible workouts and easy-to-follow meal plans makes it particularly appealing for busy individuals. However, if you're an advanced athlete or prefer a completely free experience, you might want to explore alternative options available in the market. I hope this honest review helps you make an informed decision.